What do I like most about my experience with Solar for Good? They're very professional, the engineer is tremendous, and they sort out all my problems. Since first contacting, my installation took about 4 to 5 weeks, so it was very quick, I think. They come in, they've checked my system right the way through, and any problems they've found, they've rectified pretty quickly. I think my monthly savings, or my annual savings on electricity, must be about 50%. I think I would recommend Solar for Good because they seem very professional, they care about my system, and they put anything right that possibly goes wrong.